right, moving into weather, temperature at 86 degrees. Our dew point is up a little bit and humidity as well compared to yesterday, but you may notice it's not quite as oppressively humid as it could be. We do have temperatures right now well into the 80s for almost all of our spots. A little cooler though farther north. Now we'll switch it to the feels like temperature, factoring in that humidity, and we're feeling like 90s in some locations. But we still officially have our north winds going, and when we look at our radar, there are a few showers and storms, but mostly right along the coast or even off the coast in our northern Gulf of Mexico waters. There is a pretty big storm here over the Biloxi marshes, lots of lightning with that. We have a couple of small areas of rain popping up, a little bit outside of Laplace around Des Allemands and also not far from Belle Chase. These are really small showers. So we do have a bit of rain out there. Not expecting a whole lot today, but as this front stays over us, we will have that chance for a few more showers. Now going forward in time with our model to 4 p.m., here we are with a few of those coastal showers and storms. Really for most inland areas, I think the rain chance will be about 20% or so, maybe about 30% near the coast. This is by 6 p.m. Couple of showers still maybe left over, but then the front does get the push to the south so that tomorrow we're looking dry for the morning. We'll fast forward through the day. There might be a couple of showers here and there, but again, tomorrow is looking a little bit drier even than what we've seen today and the past couple of days. And then the end of the week looks dry as well and less humid, so that'll be something to look forward to. Here's our planner. Temperatures upper 80s today, eventually getting into the lower 80s and 70s later on tonight. 20% chance for those showers and a couple of storms. High temperatures upper 80s, and then for later on tonight, our lows should bottom out in the 60s north of Lake Pontchartrain and very close to 70 south of the lake. I think it should be a pretty nice evening. Yesterday evening felt really nice to me. Maybe you agree. And then our dew point continues to come down. So Thursday and Friday, after that front gets a push south on Wednesday, should be drier feeling days. Our dew point is a measure of humidity. It does go back up a little bit for the weekend and into early next week, but we may actually hang on to that drier feel for a while, depending on how our pattern goes. It does look like we may see dew point temperatures possibly even brushing the 50s. So when you get dew point temperatures in the 50s, no matter what the air temperature is, that's a pretty comfortable, nice, drier sort of feel as opposed to the 60s where we are right now. Now with our upper pattern, we're expecting that trough we've been talking about to move in, and that will continue the north winds. It may even bring this little weak front through our area later this week. That's part of why we're expecting that slightly lower humidity as we get into the next several days. Now Friday, our temperatures may go back to upper 80s, but tomorrow looks like they'll be cut back to maybe middle 80s. And then by Thursday, maybe middle 80s as well, with mostly sunny and dry conditions. Tomorrow, only that slight chance for a stray shower, and that would be more toward the coast again because we'll get that slightly drier air filtering in north to south. Now for the weekend, you saw that weak front, so Saturday might have a couple of showers, but keeping the rain chance pretty slim for Saturday. Sunday, we're back into the upper 80s, and then for Memorial Day, it does look dry and warm, so pretty good weather for pool kind of activities, getting into the upper 80s and maybe even close to 90 by Sunday and into Monday.